Hey everyone, here's a new video from Knowledge Boost channel. Today's video is interesting, just like the others. Today we'll see from a psychological point of view the reasons that make women admire some men instead of others. And we will see what are the traits that women can't help just to keep dreaming of that man as her true love and the right one. But first of all, let me explain something important that the majority don't realize. Because of the effect of the traditional love stories in which a guy meets a girl, then they become friends, and we as the audience are waiting to the moment when they kiss each other and fall in love with each other. But that is not how it works usually. And instinctively, women are looking for a relationship to fulfill that instinct inside them of being a mother, while men are looking for a relationship to fulfill their sense of being responsible, which is, men could lose their purpose in their life and their life would be just like hell without having that sense of being responsible. Now back to the topic of the video. From intelligence to physical strength and having the ability to convince the other sex, there are many traits that women instinctively attracted to. Number one, which is the real key to be attractive. And here's the funny part about it, that everyone knows it's confidence and everyone wants to have confidence, but they just don't know how to gain it. The number one advice that I could give you is just jump right in, and I mean practice. For example, when we were kids we couldn't speak or write. We had low self-confidence in terms of writing or speaking, but by practice now we can talk for hours without hesitation and write hundreds of papers without a mistake. How did we become so confident and have that mastery? By now, you know the answer. That was a basic example. The reason confidence is important because women don't want to be with a man who is not decisive, who can't take a decision alone and a pushover. She wants a man who can rely upon and be her support. Trait number two, she want to be with a funny man who can make her laugh. She want to be with an extroverted man who has a fresh soul, a man who can cheer her up when she feels sad. Trait number three, she wants a man well put together. I mean physically strong. The most thing that catches women attention is wide shoulders and muscles beside height. Women are naturally attracted to these traits. They feel safe being with a strong man who can protect them. Trait number four, elegant men. Women are attracted to those who care and pay attention to the way they look and to their hygiene. Trait number five, keeping abreast on what's happening around the globe and can talk about it is a quality that shows that you are a part of the world. You don't have to be a political analyst or a philanthropist. However, it is important that you show that you care enough to learn and understand other cultural perspectives. This does mean being able to shift the conversation from time to time away from work or family to something else of equal relevance. A gentleman who is connected to the world around him proves to his lady that he understands that he is part of something bigger than him. It displays that you know that the world doesn't revolve around you and your experience. This is a key component in being compassionate. Here you have it all, but my advice to you is to don't be someone who's not really you, just for the sake of having a new relationship. Stay the way you are and try to gain new good traits, and you can do that easily just by watching our beneficial videos and apply our valuable pieces of advice in your life. That's it for today guys, thank you for watching, see you in the coming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Goodbye.